So Nifty has corrected around 10% in the last 25 days, and there was no sign of U-turn, no sign of reversal at all until yesterday. So yesterday we got to see some strong sign which is hinting that Nifty could go up from here. Remember the word, it could. Does not mean that it is directly going to start going up from today itself. No, it is just the first sign. Okay, and that is not a guarantee that the reversal will take place from here. It could go down even further to 23,000 level. Yes, there is a possibility. But today in this video, I am going to do the price action analysis of Nifty, and we'll see the technical side of Nifty and determine where its next support and resistance levels are and why Nifty could be giving a U-turn from this point. Okay, so all of these things I am going to discuss in this video, but please remember that this is not any recommendation video. I am not asking you to invest in Nifty or trade Nifty futures, options, Nifty Bank Nifty in this video. This is just a price action analysis so that it will help you in making informed decisions about the market, right? So with that said, let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. Okay, so yesterday Nifty closed at around 24,000. It closed at around 24,200 rounded up. Okay, so this level is important. Why? Because we can see last time also Nifty got support at this level. This is the level, and same near that level also we are getting to see some strength. Okay, so our the first thing that we are going to do is draw one support resistance line here. Okay, so I have drawn here, and you can see if we take this point, see Nifty gapped down back to back 2 days. It gapped down and then directly it started going up and did not stop. It continued going up. Now again it started falling, and at the same place we are starting to see some strength. Okay, and there is a candlestick pattern formed here. These two candlesticks, what is the name of the candlestick pattern? Let me know in the comment section by pausing the video if you know it. Okay, so people who do not know, for them let me tell you that this is a piercing pattern. Okay, so the green candle has crossed the middle part of the body of the previous red candle. So this is a piercing pattern and it's a bullish pattern. That is what we need to remember. If you do not remember the name, that is not a problem. I never encourage people to just remember the names so that they can think that we know technical analysis a lot. No, you just need to identify if the pattern is bullish or bearish. Okay, if you are not able to remember the name, give it your own name which makes sense, which will remind you why this is a bearish or bullish pattern. Okay, so this is called a piercing pattern, right? And it is formed at the same level of around 24,000 level. You can see 23,996. Okay, 24,000 level it is formed. So there is a level of support here. That is what we can say, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to check the momentum of the stock. We'll use momentum indicators, mainly RSI, and also I will take you to the 1 hour time frame and show you why it could give a reversal from this point, and then we'll discuss if the reversal fails, where it is going to stop next. Okay, so let me just enable the momentum indicator. So, and now I will switch to line chart. So here you can notice one thing. Let me just expand this one. Here you can notice one thing, that here we are getting to see some lower low. Okay, Nifty is forming lower low here, but at the in the RSI we are getting to see one higher low. Okay, so what is this thing called? So this is called a bullish divergence. Okay, clearly telling that the index is starting to gain momentum and it could give a U-turn from this point. Okay, and this is a daily time frame analysis. Now if I go to the 1 hour time frame, okay, I am getting to see the same thing. You see, let me just take you to the candlestick chart, then I will come back to again to the line chart. So if you consider this point here, we are getting to see lower low, but you can see the same here, it is higher low. Again, bullish divergence. So there is a clear chance that Nifty could go from here. But how can we confirm that Nifty has started an uptrend or not, or we have to wait even further? So for that we have to check the next level of resistance. So where is the next level of resistance? Let me just go to the candlestick chart, and here. So this level, this is around 24,500 rounded up. Okay, and I am going to draw a red line here. So I have drawn this by checking the 1 hour time frame. We will go to the daily time frame and confirm if this is actually a significant level of resistance or not. So here we can see, yes, it is an actual level of resistance. Why is that? See, if I extend this line up to this side, it is the same place where the stock was facing resistance earlier as well. Here you can see. Okay, after the stock broke this level, it went up. So again we are getting to see the same thing. It is facing resistance there, right? So we can safely say that 24,500 is the level that we need to watch. Okay, once Nifty breaks that with strong volume, okay, then we can say that Nifty is starting an uptrend from this point. Okay, so this is the positive side. I mean, we are talking about the bright side. So we are not assuming what will happen if things go wrong. If it does not go up from here, let's say if it is giving one more candle here, okay, today here, and then touching this point again, it is starting to go down. So where it is going to stop? So we have to find out the next level of support. So I'm going to reset the chart. So the next level of support could be this point. Okay, let me just draw one line here. Okay, and again if it fails, it could come down all the way to this level, around 22,800 to 22,800 you can say. Okay, here we are getting to see one level which is giving back to back resistance to Nifty here again and again. Okay, almost. So and here again, so Nifty could come down all the way up to this 22,800 level. Okay, and before that, what is the next level? This is the one, 23,000. I am rounding up all the numbers so that you do not get confused. 23,400, 22,800. Okay, and the current current support level is 24,000. So these are the levels we need to keep in mind. You can take a screenshot at this point, right? So now our job is to watch Nifty and see if it is changing its direction. Okay, if it is giving a U-turn from this point, it might take some days, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, but it should break this level and go up if it is starting to show strength from here. If we get to see more weakness, then it could continue falling down. And why there is also a chance that Nifty could fall from this point is because it is still trading below the 50 EMA. You see, it is trading below the 50 EMA. Now, if I enable the 10 EMA here, you can see the 10 EMA, we got to see a crossover here. Okay, 10 and 50 at this point. Okay, around, it is below, around, I think around now 19,000. I'll check the exact level. So after that, we never got to see. It directly kept going up, and here we have already seen a cross below. So that tells a lot that Nifty is weak right now. Okay, and if I measure from this point, it is around 35% in 315 days. So around in 10 to 11 months, it gave 35%, which is a good return for index. Okay, and Nifty consists of the largest 50 companies in India. So considering that, 35% index return is very good, I would say. Right now, technically we have to also check that if our these resistance support levels that we marked are valuable or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the fifth retracement tool. So let us see what the fifth retracement tool has to say. So see, I have drawn the fifth retracement level, and you can see some of the levels are directly coinciding. Okay, so I mentioned the level 23,400. Okay, and you can see here 23,401 is the place where 61.8% lies, and then I mentioned around 2,800. So this is around 22,500. So as you can see, there is a wide gap here. So 200-300 points it can fluctuate. Okay, and then current level is 24,000, as I already mentioned. So these two are the significant levels. Remember that. You can take a screenshot here as well, right? So these are the levels you need to keep in mind, and definitely if Nifty gives a confirmed breakout above this the level which I mentioned here, okay, 24,400, then definitely I will make one more video so that you can be aware that yes, Nifty is starting to show strength, and you can make your investment and trades accordingly. It's up to you if you want to trade futures, option, or individual stocks, whatever, it's up to you. But my job is to inform you the overall direction of the market, and I do not want any of my viewers to get excited too soon and jump into the market and be over optimistic and I don't want them to lose money or keep their money gets blocked for a long time. That is not a good scenario that anyone wants. Okay, so that has been my target for this video, and I hope this video was useful, informative, and if you found this informative, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You'll find the link in the description section below. Bye. Take care.